Digital stickers are a great way to target basic concepts in speech therapy and teletherapy sessions. I'm going to show you using this set of spring flowers. This digital sticker set is open in another tab, but I'm just going to copy and paste it over to my blank Google Slides presentation. So I'm going to select the ones I want. Let's see, I'll just kind of do maybe these 8. You can do as many or as few as you want. And then I'm going to hit Control C, come back over to my blank Google Slides presentation and click Control and V, and that will paste them there. So now we have the stickers over here. They're still on the original sticker sheet, but they're also now in our kind of our blank slate that we can use to target a bunch of activities or a bunch of goals. So one thing you can target is basic concepts of size. So if you wanted to, you could make some of the flowers really big, some of them really small, and talk about size concepts that way. Which one is big, small, which one, you can use comparatives and superlatives, which one is bigger than this one, or which one is the biggest or smallest. You can change size on digital stickers, which makes it narrow or wide. So lots of options there. Another way is to target, or another concept set that you could target is quantity. So you can duplicate stickers as many times as you want, which is one of the wonderful things about them. So maybe you have these flowers over here. You can plant a little garden or pretend to plant a little garden if you want to, and say which flowers have more of their kind or less, or you could make them be the same. You could talk about a few flowers. You could talk about the actual number of flowers, like this one has the most flowers on the plant. This plant has none. So really a lot of options for targeting quantity, especially because you can duplicate the stickers as many times as you want to. Another option is targeting concepts of location or like prepositions, positions. And I like to add a Google image for this one. So let's say I want to add a picture of a table or something to put the stickers or, put the flowers in a vase on a table or something. So I'm just going to search the web. Maybe I want to look for a vase on a table. This is pulling in Google Images right from the web, right into my Google Slides presentation. Maybe I want to see if there's an empty vase on a table. There might be, there might not be. I might just have to work with what I can find here really quickly. Let's say I want to add this one. It's going to add it to my slides presentation. Now it's obviously in front of those stickers and I want it to be at the back. So I'm going to right click on it and then click Order, Send to Back. So now I can talk about putting, the flowers in the vase. It can be in front of the vase, between the vases. If I just had a picture of a table, I could put them under the table or in a garden, in a field, behind the field. So as you can see, just adding another, like a scene kind of behind it, lets you target a lot of those prepositional concepts very easily with digital stickers. So as you can see, there are tons of ways to move these stickers, adapt them, change their size, duplicate them to target a ton of different basic concepts with really any vocabulary or any theme stickers that you have or that you want to use. So hope that is helpful and gives lots of great ideas.